Let's start. In the last lecture, we did HTML. Firstly, tell me my voice is audible. Am I properly audible? Yes, बच्चे. Okay. HTML stands for, what is the full form of HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. When we discuss the concept of web page, website, and home page. Web page means a single page of a website that either contains text data, audio, video, multimedia, animation. Next, website, a collection of web pages is called website. Home page is the index page or the first page of website. Index page or first page of website. Clear? यहाँ तक सबको clear है? These things are clear. Then next we studied the meaning of tags. What are tags? Tags क्या है? So tag is a code, or you can say a piece of code which will tell the browser what to display and how to display. Which tells the browser what to display and how to display. Okay. Then I told you then there is one opening tag and closing tag. Now, how you are going to differentiate between the two, opening tag and closing tag? Opening tag, बच्चे, whatever the name of the tag you are given. For example, हमने करी थी HTML. तो ये आपका क्या है? This is the opening tag. And when you going to close this tag, the tag should be preceded by a forward slash. Tag को आप किसके साथ precede करोगे? Using a forward slash with the same name, so that is a closing tag. Okay. For example, यहाँ पे मैंने HTML को close किया using a preceding slash. तो ये मैंने forward slash लगाई है. This way you are going to close it. This is a closing tag. And tags are to be written inside angular brackets. Tags को आप कैसे लिखोगे? Inside angular brackets. So tags are to be written inside angular brackets. Okay. यहाँ तक सबको clear है? Now next, the types of HTML tag. We have two types of HTML tag with us. दो तरह के हमारे पास HTML tag होते हैं. Types of HTML tags. The two types are container tag empty tag. Container tags are also known as paired tags. Empty tags are also known as void tags. Empty tags are also known as void tags. Now, what are paired tags or what are container tags? Write down the definition. The container tags are the tags which have both opening as well as closing tag. So that is called container tag. Container tag में opening tag भी होगा, closing tag भी होगा. Both the tags are there. There should be an opening tag as well as the closing tag. So those tags are called container tag. Right now यहाँ पे देखो मैंने इसको opening tag भी बनाया है and here it is a closing tag. When both the tags are there, that is called container tag. Write down the meaning. Container tags are the tags which have both opening tag as well as closing tag. That is called container tag. All right. And the tags which are having only opening tag and but not closing tag, जिन टैग्स के अंदर सिर्फ ओपनिंग टैग ही होगा, क्लोजिंग टैग नहीं होगा, हम उनको बोलेंगे एम्प्टी टैग्स. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे मैं सिंपल से एग्जांपल ले रही हूँ. HR तो ये क्या है? एम्प्टी टैग है बिकॉज HR में हम टैग को ओपन तो करते हैं लेकिन टैग को क्लोज नहीं करते हैं, राइट? So empty tags are the tags which have only opening tag but no closing tag. So only opening tag will be there in case of paired tags or the empty tag, void tags or the empty tags. So once again, listen the definition carefully. Container tags are the tags which have both opening as well as closing tag. Those are called container tags. The tags which have only opening tag but no closing tag, such tags are called empty tags. All right, the meaning is clear. Now note down the tags. Examples. कंटेनर टैग्स में हमारे पास आते हैं. Note down the list for container tags. HTML, head, body, title, center, SUB, font, BIU. Note down the examples of container tags. I'm repeating: HTML, head, body, title, center, SUB, font, BIU. The examples of empty tags. Examples of empty tags: BR, HR, IMG, link. This is link. HR, BR, IMG, link. The four empty tags are BR, HR, IMG, and link. Note it down, be quick. Container tags which are having both opening as well as closing. Empty tags which have only opening tags. So these tags are called empty tags. In container tag, the empty closing tag is preceded by a forward slash. All right. Have you written the examples? क्लियर है बच्चे? यहां तक कोई डाउट किसी को? Noted? Should I erase? On your cameras, be quick. All of you on your cameras. You have noted down the examples. Should I erase? Okay. Now the next is, अभी हमने बात करी कि हमारे पास कुछ टैग है, right? Now there are one word that is called attribute. Attribute. Attribute means the word to be written inside the tag. This करेंगे कि additional information about the tag. Attributes are the additional information about the tag. Attributes are written inside the tag. जो एट्रीब्यूट्स हैं वो हम टैग के अंदर लिखते हैं. हर टैग का कोई ना कोई एट्रीब्यूट होगा, राइट? So attributes are the special words or the additional information about the tag, that what functionality this tag can do, what type of functionality is being provided by a particular tag. So who will tell? It is going to tell the attribute. And where is to be used? The attribute is to be used inside the tag. The attribute is to be used inside the tag. Okay. For example, अगर मैं यहाँ पे एक सिंपल एग्जांपल ले रही हूँ, बॉडी बीजी कलर इक्वल टू red. Now in this case, body is a tag, BG color is attribute, and this is the value of attribute. Value of attribute. You have done HTML in 7th class also? Yes or no? Okay, so then you might be aware of the syntax. ये सबको क्लियर हो गया? टैग, टैग के अंदर क्या होता है? एट्रीब्यूट, और एट्रीब्यूट के आगे क्या होती है? एट्रीब्यूट की वैल्यू. ओके, यहां तक कोई डाउट? दिस थिंग इज क्लियर? Now the next, the syntax of writing any tag. There should be tag name, then the attribute, then the value. Value is to be written inside the double quotes. Here the content of a tag will go, and then you have to close the tag. So this is a general syntax for writing any tag. General syntax for writing any tag. Note down the general syntax for writing any tag. Tag, then the attribute which belongs to this tag, then the value of the attribute, here the content of a tag will go, and at last you have to close the tag. So this is a starting tag and this is a closing tag. All right. Now a simple example. P align equal to center. P tag close. Now this complete thing is called, ये क्या है? This is opening tag, this is attribute, ये attribute की value है, ये content है, और ये क्या है? Closing tag, right? This complete thing, जहाँ पे opening tag भी आ रहा है, जहाँ पे closing tag भी आ रहा है, and the content is also there. This complete thing is called HTML element. This complete thing is called element. Yes, ये चीज क्लियर है? HTML element हम किसको बोलते हैं? When there is a opening tag, content and a closing tag. So the complete thing is called HTML element, right? Now next, note down the next. Structure of HTML document. Structure of HTML document. सबसे पहले आपके पास आएगा HTML. All right. Then head. Then title. Title of page. Title tag close. Then you have to close head tag. Open the body tag. In the body, the content of web page will be there. Close the body tag. Close the HTML tag. So this is the structure of HTML document. Written structure of HTML document. Yes, any doubt? Done, बच्चे? Done. So this is the structure of HTML document. Whenever you have to do a coding, you will do and you will follow the same structure for doing the HTML code. Okay, the coding is to be done in text editor, notepad, and the output we will view on the web browser. You can use any web browser, whatever web browser is available in your system. Okay, यहाँ तक सबको clear है? Now write one question. Name the two sections of HTML document. Two sections of HTML document. तो दो सेक्शन कौन से हैं हमारे पास? देखो HTML के अंदर दो सेक्शन है. Number 1 is head section and number 2 is body section. Head and body section. Head section, body section. So two sections of HTML document are head section, body section. तो आप इसको इस तरह से ट्रीट कर सकते हो कि जो आपका HTML है, this is the parent and head and body are the childs of HTML. Okay, ये parent है, ये parent के आगे दो childs हैं. All right. So two children of HTML document, body and head. Okay. Now next, what are structural tags? Write down what are structural tags. Structural tags are the tags which are used to form the structure of HTML document. Structural tags are those which are used to form structure of HTML document. अब स्ट्रक्चर आपके सामने लिखा हुआ है, तो कौन से ऐसे टैग्स हैं जो स्ट्रक्चर बनाने में हेल्पफुल हैं? What are the tags which are helpful in forming the structure of HTML document? Yes, very good. So the tags which are used to form the structure of HTML document. Such tags are called structural tags. Structural tags कौन से हैं? H, title, HTML, body, comment. Tags which are used for forming the structure of HTML document. So 5 tags are there. HTML head, title, body, comment. Comment. HTML head, title, body, comment. All right. Clear? Now the next is formatting tags. What are formatting tags? Formatting tags are the tags which are used to format the HTML document. जो edit करने के लिए use होते हैं. Used for giving formatting in HTML document. The tags which are used for giving formatting in the HTML document. So such tags are called formatting tags. Formatting tags के example P, center, B, I, U, SUP, SUB, font. So all these are the tags which are used for giving the formatting. H1, all right, so these are called the formatting tags. Now let's look at the description of the structural tags. The first tag, that is the HTML tag. HTML tag means we are going to start the HTML document. When we have to start the HTML document, we will use HTML tag. Okay, so HTML tag, it will start the HTML document by the tag HTML, and it is going to end the document using HTML close. This tag is used to tell that the document that we are going to create is of HTML type. All right. The HTML tag is clear. Now the next is the head tag. So head tag is the child of the HTML document. It is a child of the HTML tag. Okay. So it is used to give the header information. Head tag is used to give header information. Next, title tag. Title tag is to be used inside the head tag. Title tag is to be used inside the head tag. And title is used to give title of web page. Title of web page. The tag that is used to give the title of the web page is called title tag. Last tag is the body tag. Body tag is used to give content of the web page. Body tag is used to give content of the web page. So content हमें किस tag से मिलता है? Body tag. हाँ जी बच्चे, any doubt? I'm once again repeating all the tags. First one is the HTML tag. HTML tag means the tag which will mark the beginning and ending of the HTML document. Because in every document, firstly, the tag we have to open is HTML. And for closing the HTML document, we have to close the HTML tag. So it will mark the beginning as well as ending of the HTML document. Okay. The second tag is the head tag, that is under the HTML tag. Head tag is used to give header information of the document. It is used to give header information. Title tag is used to give title of the web page. And title, where the title will appear? Title will appear in the URL of the browser. Title tag is used to give title of the web page. Title will appear in the URL of the browser. Title will appear in the URL of a browser. Next is the body tag, which is used to give the content of the web page. Whatever the content you want to display, whatever the output that will available on the browser window, जितना भी content आपको show होगा, that you have to type inside the body tag. So body tag, what it will display? It will display the content of a web page. Content of the web page. Now I am telling you that title tag is it will display in the URL of a browser. So what is URL? URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform Resource Locator. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Clear? Any doubt? The next topic is how to create an HTML document. How to create HTML document. So I already told you, whenever you have to create an HTML document, for creating the HTML document, the coding is to be typed inside a text editor. कोडिंग आप कहाँ पे टाइप करेंगे? टेक्स्ट एडिटर में. टेक्स्ट एडिटर की हमने एग्जांपल कौन सी करी है? नोटपैड. Example of text editor is Notepad. How to create an HTML document? By writing the code inside the Notepad. Now how to open the Notepad? Start. All programs. Accessories. Then Notepad. This way you will open the Notepad for writing a code. Okay, this way we will open the Notepad for writing the code. So this way we are going to create our HTML document. So once you have typed the HTML code in the Notepad, आपके पास Notepad में सारी की सारी coding आ गई है. आपने सारी coding Notepad में कर ली. Then you will save this document. Once you have created a document, the next step is to save the document. So how to save the document now? Again, there are two methods. You can save the HTML document either by command. So the command is file menu, save option. Save भी कर सकते हो. Save तब करना है second time or third time whenever you have added the coding. But first time you have to use the option save as. Okay. The second method you can use the shortcut key Control plus S. Control plus S. File menu, save option or save as option. Control plus S is the shortcut key for saving the document. Right? Now once you have saved your document, आपने creation कर ली, document की coding type कर ली. After typing the coding, now you want to save. So you are saving it using either the command or using the shortcut key, whatever the method you are using. After that, save as dialog box will appear. Save as dialog box appear होगा. Now in the save as dialog box, firstly you have to specify the file name of a document and then extension. Extension for saving HTML document. extension for saving HTML document. So what is the extension for saving HTML document? The extension is .html, or you can use .htm. So this is the extension for saving the HTML document. Now look at the steps once again. Firstly, open the notepad. Once you have opened the notepad, start typing the code. Once the code is typed using this, you have opened the notepad and the coding is done. Now next is to save that coding. How to save? By either the shortcut key Ctrl+S or file menu save option. Okay. When you will follow this method, the save as dialog box will appear. In the save as dialog box, you will specify the file name. After specifying the file name, you have to tell the extension for the HTML document. The extension is .html or .htm. .html or .htm. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मुझे अब सेव करने हैं तो मैं कैसे करूंगी सेव? आई वॉन्ट टू कीप इट अ फर्स्ट होम पेज बनाना है मुझे, तो होम पेज के लिए मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया होम पेज क्या होता है, हमारा इंडेक्स पेज होता है. तो आप इसको कैसे सेव करोगे? फाइल नेम फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने यहाँ पे इंडेक्स दिया .html. इंडेक्स मेरा यहाँ पे क्या है? इट इज अ फाइल नेम. .html क्या है? एक्सटेंशन. Clear? Index.html. Where index is a file name and .html is a extension. Yes. Any doubt in today's lecture? Look at the topics once again that we have done today. Go through the topics once again. Any topic you find any kind of difficulty, कुछ भी आपको नहीं clear हुआ, just let me know. Yes, बच्चे, any doubt? All the tags are clear. These steps are clear. What are container tags, empty tag, formatting tags, structural tags? Structural tags which helpful in making of the structure of the document. Formatting tags which are used for formatting. Empty tags which requires only opening tag. Container tags which require both opening as well as closing tag. Then we did the structure of HTML document. तो structure में क्या आता है? HTML open, head open, title close. Then head close, body open. Then content of the web page will be inside the body tag. Close the body tag, then close the HTML tag. Once you have typed the coding, next is to save it using the extension .htm or .html. So this way you have to specify the file name. All right. So revise the today's lecture once again carefully. In case any doubt you found, we will discuss it tomorrow. Okay.